Hi everyone, in front of me I've got OnePlus Pad Lite, and let me share with you how to free up space without removing the apps. Alright, so first of all, let's open the settings. Here in this list we have to scroll and find the apps, and then go to App Management. So here we've got the list of apps which are currently installed on our device, and what I highly recommend to do is to clear cache for all of them, especially those for those which you're using frequently, but I highly recommend to do it for all of those apps listed here. So let me choose maybe, I don't know, maybe contacts. No, because here we do not have cache. Maybe Chrome. Just tap on the specific app, go to storage usage, and as you can see here, we've got this cache section. Basically, cache are junk files which are saved by your device, but they are not necessary for the normal usage of the app. So it's better to actually remove them because it will free up some memory. So all we have to do is to tap on clear cache, and your device will remove it. I do not recommend tapping on clear data unless you wish to remove everything from the app. And as I said, do it for all of those apps. And after that, after this whole clear cache operation, I highly recommend to soft reset your device. And all you have to do is to press the power button and volume up button together once. So just like that, and then drag this ball to this restart option because this operation will kind of confirm all of those changes, all of those cache removal. So that was the first way to release some memory. The second way is to actually check your downloads, because let's be honest, usually we are downloading a lot of stuff and then we forget about it. So I highly recommend to go to your file manager, whatever file manager you're using, you know, the Google one, the one which is provided by the developer, or any other third-party app, it doesn't matter. Just find the downloads, tap on files, find downloads. I do not have any kind of stuff downloaded here, but I'm pretty sure that you will have a lot of things downloaded here, and probably most of them are not necessary. So I highly recommend to simply go through them and just remove those which you don't need. And as a last resort, I highly recommend to consider a backup. I will not show you the full operation, the full process of backing up, but you can find a detailed video about that on our channel. So basically, I highly recommend to back up your photos and videos because usually they are occupying a lot of memory, and the backup is not only much safer than just keeping them in the photos, in the gallery basically, but also it will allow you to release the memory by removing the photos and videos and still have them saved in other place. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.